So, now we are going to discuss some common myth. What is the myth? Myth is a strong belief which is not footed on strong scientific reason. So, there are some myths which are related to pollution, very common. First is agriculture is pollution free. We always consider that agriculture is good, right? It is good of course, but it can also be a cause of pollution. One of the reason is that nowadays agriculture is also dependent upon sources of energy. For example, diesel. Diesel is being burnt for pumping water, and a lot of diesel is being burnt. It is also being used for moving tractors. A lot of pollution may be caused because of that also. Then another reason of pollution from this agriculture is that there may be spraying of different pesticides. Many different pesticides, different medicines, they are also being sprayed on them. That may be causing air pollution, and it also may be causing water pollution in a way. Another reason may be that very common nowadays, the pollution which happens in Delhi and everyone is talking about it, that is stump burning, commonly called as parali. पंजाब में पराली जलाते हैं, दिल्ली में पोल्यूशन हो जाता है. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो इन अ वे लिंक्ड टू this agriculture. So, agriculture is not pollution free, it also may be contributing to pollution, and we know India is a agriculture rich country. Many a times the small pollution which is caused because of agriculture, that may be, we may be considering that plants are producing oxygen. That is true, they are producing oxygen, they are helping controlling the pollution, but they also may be producing pollution. So, farmers should not be made to believe that they are not causing any damage to the environment. Second myth is regarding new cars are less polluting. Very commonly you will see that people feel that only the old cars or old engines they produce pollution. Old engines may be producing more pollution, but new cars also may be producing pollution, because pollution is dependent upon the kind of fuel you are using, the kind of habits you are having while driving. For example, if you are using poor quality fuel, then there will be more pollution even if you are having a new car. If off and on you are in a habit of applying harsh brakes, or you are not regulating, you are not maintaining the engine properly, then also it may be causing pollution, right. So, just having a new car does not mean that there will be no pollution. Sometimes a new car may be producing more pollution as compared to old one if that car is being maintained properly. So, the key word is how well the car is being maintained. Here the key word is how the air is kept pollution free. Next myth is regarding clear sky means no pollution. Usually what happens, that whenever we come to talk about pollution is when we are able to see dark clouds in the sky, when we are not able to see at far off distance because of haze. When the sky is clear, usually we feel there is that air is clean. Even the clear sky may be having polluted air. In the previous topic we discussed about the summer smog and winter smog. I told you that ozone, that is the gas which is a potent pollutant, that is a colorless gas. So, because of that, even the clear sky may be having high levels of ozone in it, which is a potent pollutant. So, just clear sky does not mean no pollution. Another one is, if we are not careful, environment will get polluted. Now, this is a little tricky. We usually use this statement, na? If we are not careful, environment will get polluted. But this statement is a myth. Why it is a myth? Because of this word, it will get polluted. Means abhi everything is all right, there is no pollution, it will get polluted. But the truth is that environment is already polluted. There has been many-fold increase in the particulate matter as compared to the pre-industrial revolution. Industrial revolution has caused a lot of air pollution. So, because of that we are already breathing in polluted air. Further the condition may deteriorate. So, we are living in a polluted environment, it will further get polluted, but we can't say that everything is all right and maybe it will get polluted, right. So, these are the 4 myths you should remember, they may appear in the check the correct option type of questions. Okay.